My name is Jensen. Let's learn some UiPath. Today we will see how we can get the row index in the data table in UiPath. Here I got an Excel sheet and we want to get this over to a data table, and we got two columns, ID and name. We got a unique ID over here and a corresponding name. And we want to loop through the corresponding data table here and, for example, find out in what row Jennifer is in. Of course we can see it here, but it could be more complicated. So we'll do it in UiPath. So let me close down this one. And then we will have an Excel application scope. Drag this guy in. We will choose the workbook path. So click the three dots here. And mine is just this new Microsoft Excel worksheet. So choose that one. And we will disable this visible, because this visible is on. All the operations will be performed while Excel is open. We just want to have it performed in the background. Then we will have a read range here. And in the output, we will create a new variable. So press Control K. We can call it DT data. Then click Enter. And we can go down to variables and we can verify that we actually created it here. So far so good. So now we created a data table and we want to loop through it and find out what number and what row number Jennifer is in. So let's have a for each row. Drag it in here. Let me delete this body. And we will loop through this DT data that we just created here. And then we want to loop through, and then we'll have an if here. And this one will be row, and then item, that's the column. That's when the name column is Jennifer, to string equals Jennifer. So this one asks if in the Q&A row, when the cell in the name column is named Jennifer, then we want to perform something. And we want to get the row number, right? So then we will have a message box. And what we'll do is that we will refer to the data table, so DT data and rows. So we'll simply just ask up in here in this data table, and we'll say index of, that will get us the index, and then we will just put in the Q and row that we got up here, and then to string. Because this one is an integer, we can't print it in the message box, so we'll add the to string. But if you just need an integer, you don't have to do this to string, and you can just work with it in your workflow. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this. Now we run it. And we can see here that UiPath runs, and in a moment we will have our row index coming up here. We can see that it's row number 3, and remember it's 0 index, so the first row is 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3, that's the fourth row. However, there is the third row when it's 0 index, and we can see that it actually makes sense. Sorry, this one was still open while we perform the action. However, let's say that we want another one. We want Angelina. We can just change this name and we can run it again. Now we will get Angelina. What row she was in, I don't remember. I think maybe it was the third row, maybe. Yeah. That is second, and that corresponds to the third row. So let's see if that is true. Now we can open it. And we can see it's true. So Jennifer was in row 4 and Angelina in 3. And remember, when it was 0 index, this is 2 and 3. So that's it for today. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And by the way, have a good day. Bye bye.